So I have the iPod here, and we are going to replace the screen and digitizer, but obviously it's not broken, so we're gonna have to break it first. Once it's cracked and everything, you have to kind of peel away the screen, and just might crack a couple more times. So to get the rest of the screen off, we're gonna need some help from power tools. Well, we got the screen off. Once you got the screen off, you just need to find a decent condition screen, like this one, and place it right over the main frame. Careful not to crack your decent screen. You might need some tape to keep the screen on. You might want to test the home button to see if the phone works. I think it's out of battery. I'm gonna go charge it and see what happens.